Hey guys, how are you? Long time no see. So today we're going to do a rainbow eye. So I'm using e.l.f.'s putty primer in white. This way the colors have something to stick onto, last longer, and have something to be vibrant and more in your face. So I'm just going in with like an orangey red color. I'm just going to blend it into my crease. Have a clean brush so that you can smoke out the edges, and you're going to go back and forth. You're just going to build up the intensity little by little until you're satisfied. So I'm just going to take this purple and I'm just going to blend it into the outer edge. And then I go in with a lot of these blue colors. The best applications with your fingers, in my opinion, with these shadows. You could use a brush, but you just want to keep blending it back and forth until you're happy with how they blended. I like the shine, so I got me some shimmer. So then I went in with this matte yellow. This creates like a green once you blend it with the blue. I wanted some more pop in your face, so that's why I went in with this Col-Lab Palette. I also went in with a wet brush so that it's more vibrant. And then I'm gonna go in with some liner, curl your lashes, add your favorite mascara, and then just pop on some lashes. I like to do my eyes first before my foundation when it comes to a lot of color. This way you could do easy cleanup, touch it up with some concealer, wipe away fallout, bam. So then I'm just going to take that fluffy brush with that same color from before, the first color that we applied, and just apply it all on the bottom lash line. And then with a more detailed brush, I'm going to just take some orange, pop it on to the inner corners kind of, and then red on the outer corners. Then just touch up the little yellow in the inner corners and done. Put some bottom mascara on, and then I'm gonna try to put some liner. This liner really did it, so it was a kind of a mess, but it's kind of cool, it's kind of cute. Need some practice. But yeah, that's it, guys. So first of all, thank you PinkyParadise for sending me these contacts. These are awesome. These fit comfortably. The colors are so vibrant. My natural eye color is dark brown. Look at that. Okay, so that doesn't really look green to me. It looks more of a gray, but it's still beautiful. They're very comfortable. These are prescribed. I'm sure you could get them without prescription levels. Girl, go check them out. They have so many options. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.